It's now time to focus on the audio quality for my YouTube channel. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's been a while I am creating YouTube videos and now I think it's a good time to invest in a good audio setup. This is a Scarlett 2i2 Studio from Focusrite. This is a third generation 2-in 2-out USB audio interface with a condenser microphone and a headphone. So basically everything you need to record at home. But first, let's do the unboxing. So inside the box you will get a user manual, a condenser microphone, USB audio interface, a 3-meter XLR microphone cable, a USB Type-C cable, closed back headphones, and all the software you need to start making video content or music. It connects to Mac or PC using the included USB cable. The audio interface is small and compact with full metal chassis and front and back made up of plastic. The audio interface is 2-channel and each has XLR jack, 2 gain dial with a ring meter light around which will flash red when you start clipping. So you know you need to roll back the gain at that point. It has a 48-volt power button to provide external power, a monitor dial button, headphone volume dial, and a headphone jack. On the back you have a USB Type-C port to connect to your PC or Mac device and line output or speakers. The condenser microphone is made up of metal and the build quality is pretty good. The microphone comes with a metal mesh and a small metal clamp or holder. The closed back headphones are adjustable one and it dampens the sound pretty well. It comes with a 1/4-inch jack. The setup is quite easy. Connect one end of the XLR cable to the microphone and the other end to the audio interface, and the USB-C to audio interface and USB-A to your PC. It's quick and easy to set up. The sound which you are hearing throughout this video was captured by this microphone and it was recorded with a software called Audacity, which is a free software, and I will also share the link in the description below. So overall, Scarlett 2i2 3rd generation provides impressive pro quality sound and ease of use, which makes it great choice for new and experienced recording enthusiasts. The price is around £215 and it may vary from country to country, but this price is definitely worth it. You can buy the entire setup as a bundle or you can buy the audio interface separately. So friends, let me know in the comment what do you think about this setup. That's all in this video and I hope this video was helpful to you, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.